Okay, I took my twists out because they were itchy, and I just have like a headband on them, but I don't like it. Like my hair, it's like in that awkward stage where it's not super short, but it's not long. Like it's still short, but it's like it's in the middle. Like it's like in that awkward, like like my hair is awkward. And this is the twist out, and I do not like it. Like, I don't know. It could be cute, I guess, but I really don't. I don't like it. And I never know what to do with my hair. And I always wear wigs. And I'm in my bra, sorry. And I always wear wigs and stuff. And it's like I kind of just want to get a perm. I know that sounds horrible. I know it does. But it's like I just get so frustrated with my hair. Because it's so difficult. It's just difficult. It's just one of those I wanna have a perm so I can just wrap it or something and it'll be okay. Because I wouldn't go outside like this. I'm surprised I'm even on YouTube like this. Like, this hairstyle is never going to leave my house. And I find myself covering my hair more than actually wearing it. So it's like, what's the point of going through all of this trouble with my hair if I'm not even going to like wear it outside? You know what I mean? Like, what is the point of it? What's the point of struggling with my hair so much if I'm not even going to wear it? Like, but if I was to get a perm, I would probably always wear it. I don't know. This will probably be the last thing I do on these webcams too. But like, this isn't cute to me. To some people it might be cute. Like, oh, her twist out is cute. I don't like it. I really don't. It looks crazy to me. It just looks like it just looks crazy to me. It looks crazy. Like, and some people do their twist outs and it looks cute on them, but it just looks, I think I look freaking crazy, like I need my hair done. I look like I need my hair done. Like, that's how I feel. Like I just look like I need my hair done. Like, I look like I just took out some braids and I need my hair done. Like, it looks freaking crazy to me. It really does. I'm thinking about braiding it. I'm just not happy with my hair. I'm not happy with it at all. I'm not happy with the length. I'm not happy with the texture. I'm not happy with the way this looks. I'm not happy with anything about my hair. And this twist out looks crazy. Like, I'm about to just throw this wig back on my head that I had on earlier. Because I wear wigs all day. I wear wigs all the time. I'm about to just toss this wig. I need to fix it. Toss this wig back on. See? And it's a shame. Because I feel better. I feel a lot better like this. I really do. Even though this isn't like I just like picked it up, I didn't do anything with it, but I feel a lot better with this hairstyle than with my real hair. I don't know. Maybe it's just a phase of I'm frustrated with my hair. I'm frustrated with my hair. So now, you know what I mean? Now I want a perm. And I'm sure a lot of naturals have gone through that phase where they're like, oh, I just want to get a perm. Because that's where I'm at right now. I don't know. Now, when the baby girl would not drink the powdered formula from a bottle that the dad tried to give her, he reportedly resorted to breastfeeding her. And get this, they say it worked.